The error code EC on an Electrolux washing machine indicates a problem with the electric supply. When the electric supply is insufficient, the washing machine won't work at optimum capacity, posing a risk to the motor. Several common causes of this error code include a faulty start switch, which is the button pressed to begin a wash cycle. If this button is faulty, the machine won't receive the necessary electric current to the control board. A faulty control mainboard, which controls almost all the electrical functions of the washing machine, can also cause the issue. If it's faulty, it may give irregular responses and trigger the EC error code. Additionally, a faulty power plug or breaker can lead to the washing machine receiving an irregular power current from the mains, resulting in the display of the EC error code if the machine detects a power surge. Faulty wiring is another common issue that can disrupt the power supply to the machine, as wires can degrade over time due to prolonged exposure to heat or damage by rodents. To fix the error code, several solutions can be applied. First, ensure the start switch is working by locating it, unplugging the machine from the power source, removing the screws that hold the switch in place, and disconnecting the wiring. Then, connect a new switch to the machine's wiring harness and secure it with the screws. Next, ensure the control mainboard is powered on by checking for current using a multimeter. If the control board is faulty, it's advisable to replace it with a new unit. It's also essential to verify that the power plug is functioning correctly, which can be done using a multimeter or circuit tester. A simple fault, such as a failed fuse, can often be easily fixed. Finally, inspect the wiring harness to ensure all wires are in pristine condition, well secured, and insulated. By addressing these potential causes and applying the necessary solutions, the error code EC on an Electrolux washing machine can be resolved.